Assalamu alaikum class 6 in your science video, and we are going through with the chapter science skills. Today in this video we are going to start page number 5. Heading is taking measurements. That's mean we are going to talk about measurements. So in everyday life and when carrying out scientific experiments, you use your senses to make observations. You can smell gases given off, see colors changes, and hear fizzes and pops. However, you cannot use your senses for everything and you cannot trust them to give the correct answers. Fortunately, there are many occasions such as waking yourself at home or doing experiments in class when you do not have to depend on your senses to make observations. You can use measuring instruments instead. So, do not depend entirely on your senses. Use a measuring instrument wherever you can. So the first thing which we can measure, it is length. Length can be measured by using ruler or tape measure. Basically the measurement or extent of something from end to end is called length. And we use ruler or tape measure for measuring length. The units of length is millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers. Next we have volume. Volume is the space occupied by an object. So the volume of a regular means even shaped object such as cube can be found by multiplying its length by its width by its height. L into W into H. However, to find the volume of an irregular means odd shaped object, you must use a measuring cylinder. In science, we use cubic centimeters as the unit of volume. Milliliters and centiliters and liters are other units of volume. Basically, the volume is the amount of space that a substance or object occupies or that is enclosed within a container. Next, we have mass. Mass is the amount. Next, we have mass. Mass is the amount of matter in something. The mass of something can be found by using weighing scales or a balance. Grams and kilograms are the units of mass. Temperature. Temperature means how hot something is. The temperature of something can be found by using a thermometer. Degree Celsius, sometimes called degree centigrade, are the units of temperature. For some scientific experiments, we can also use Kelvin or Fahrenheit scales, but the value of these Kelvin and Fahrenheit scale will be different. Means Fahrenheit scale has much smaller degrees than the Kelvin and Celsius scales. On this scale, water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degree Fahrenheit. And for the Kelvin scale, we consider 273 Kelvin equals to 0 degree centigrade and 373 Kelvin equals to 100 degree centigrade. But in easy word, we can say the degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature and it is measured by a thermometer, which SI unit is degree centigrade, and we can measure our weather or fever in degree centigrade or Celsius scale. Next we have time. Time can be measured with a stop clock or stopwatch. Seconds and minutes are the units of time, commonly used in science. Scientists used a vast range of instruments to measure physical quantities. These measuring instruments may range from simple objects such as ruler and stopwatches to electron microscopes. So that was our video. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.